Students, good morning. Today in this session, we should learn about that atomic weights of elements from 30 to 50 elements. Already I said to you, I learned to you about that how to learn the atomic weights from 21 to 30. Okay, students. So we have learned last session how to learn that atomic weights of elements from 21 to 30. Here we should use that different type of tricks, that means numerical methods. General methods, atomic number and atomic weight. So write down the elements names from first element to last element, and give the numbering from starting to ending or ending and multiply with 2, add the even number and base number up to 20 elements. And here next one is from 21 to 30 elements. I gave a trick. Now there is a 3 4 5 4 5 4 5 and 3 double 5. Okay students, I gave a trick to find the atomic weights from 21 to 30 elements in 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 5 and 3, double 5. So by using those numbers, so we have to calculate that atomic weights of 21 element to 30 elements. Okay, students. So I will write elements once again here. Now the first one is hydrogen and helium, lithium, okay students, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, and next one is neon, 10 elements. Okay students. And next one is sodium and magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon, potassium, and next one is calcium, 20. Okay students. And next elements now that is scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, ferrous, cobalt, nickel, copper, and this is the zinc. Okay students, up to 30 over. Now these are the elements. And next one that now we have to write that 30 to 14. Now first one is gallium, germanium, arsenic, selenium. Okay students, gallium, germanium, arsenic, selenium. Next one is bromium and krypton, and krypton after. Next one is that now there is rubidium, strontium, yttrium, and next is the zirconium. Okay students. Now gallium, germanium, arsenic, selenium, bromine, krypton, rubidium, strontium, yttrium, and zirconium. Okay students, count the numbers: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 elements are over. And you should take that next 31, that means 41 to 50 elements. Okay. Now here niobium, molybdenum, technetium, ruthenium, rhodium, and palladium, silver, okay students, cadmium, and indium, and the SN tin. Okay. So these are the elements: niobium, molybdenum, technetium, ruthenium, rhodium, palladium, silver, cadmium, indium, and tin. Okay. So these are the elements from that 41 to 50. Already we know students, in our periodic table we have 118 elements. Okay, 118 elements. Now count these elements: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 10 elements. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 elements. Okay, students. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 elements. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 elements. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 elements. Okay, students. Now already we learned one trick to find the atomic weights from 21 to 30 by using the 3, 4, 5, 45355 formed. Okay. Now here in this case, we have to use the trick to find that atomic weights first, 31 to 14. Now atomic number of gallium 31, germanium 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Okay students. Now here 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Okay. So these are the elements. And how should you find that, or how should you find out that atomic numbers, atomic weights of these elements? Okay. Already we learned about that up to zinc element. Now we should learn about these things. Okay. First of all, we will write these elements. Now first one is the gallium, okay friends, germanium, and next one is the arsenic, selenium, okay, next one is bromine and krypton. Now next element is the rubidium after, okay friends, rubidium after, next one is strontium, and next one is yttrium, and next one is the zirconium, okay friends. So these are the elements. Now those are from 31 to 40 elements, okay friends. Now these are clear. And first of all, now you have to separate the two sets in this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So up to bromine one set, and again you have to separate this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 elements. Okay. Now these are the next set. Okay. Now first here you should take the gallium element, and next one is the germanium element, and next one is the arsenic element, and next one is the selenium, and next element is the bromine. Okay. Now the gallium element atomic number 31. Now here 32. Now here 33, and here 35, and here this one is the 36 atomic weights. The atomic numbers. Sorry. Of course here only we need 1, 2, 3, 4. Now this one is the 34, and this one is 35. Okay, students, 35. So 31, 32, 33. Okay, next one is the 34, and next one is the 35. Now simple trick, you should add that for this trick 7, okay, 8, and 8, okay, 10 number, and next one is the what about this one, students, here 9. Okay. Now these numbers are added for these elements, and next number, now here 11, 11, 11, and 10, and next is the 11. So this is for that 36 to 40 elements. Now first students here, now the atomic number 31 to 35 elements. Now these numbers are added. Now here 36 to, what about this one, students, here 40 elements. So you should add these numbers for that one. Okay. Once again I will write here, so for our convenience. Now here once again germanium, okay, gallium, germanium, selenium. Now this one is the first one is the gallium, and this one is the germanium, and next one is arsenic, selenium, and next one is the bromine. Okay friends, atomic number 31, atomic number 32, atomic number 33, atomic number 34, and atomic number 35. Okay students, first of all you have to multiply atomic number into 2, students. Okay, now atomic number into 2. Now what is the value here? Atomic number into 2 means now here this one is the 62. Then you should add that plus what about the first number here? 7. Now that is the 69. Okay students, 69. So that means gallium atomic number 31, and atomic weight, so this is the 69. So this is the atomic weight of that element. Okay students. And if you take the next number, now the germanium atomic number 32. 32 is multiplied with 2. Okay students. And here you are getting that 64. Then you should add what about this one? This one. Okay students. So this one is the 72. Next, that means germanium atomic number 32, and next one the 72 atomic weight. And you come to here, next one is the arsenic. Okay students, 33 into 2. Now that is 66, plus you should add 8. Okay students. So that means 74. Now here Arsenic means As atomic number. Arsenic now its atomic number 33 and atomic weight should be 74. Okay, and you will come to the top next one. So that is the selenium. Selenium is 34 into 2 gives rise to what about this one here 68. Then you should add that this one over, this one over, and this one over plus 10 students. Okay. Now that means 78. Is it right now? 78. Now here selenium atomic number 34 and atomic weight. So this one is the 78. Okay, so it's 78. And next number is that bromine. Okay, bromine 35 means 35 into 2 means 17, and then you should add that 19. Okay, so it's that atomic weight is that 79. Okay, 78 and it's in the 79. And now that is the bromine. Okay, students, atomic number 35, atomic weight now that is the 78. Okay, so these are the atomic numbers and it's the atomic weights of that elements. Okay, gallium, germanium, arsenic, selenium, and it's the bromine. Okay, students. Now that means wait, students. Here I hope is there any mistake? Gallium, germanium, arsenic, selenium, and it's the bromine. Okay, so these are the atomic number elements. So gallium, germanium, arsenic, selenium, and bromine. 31, 32, 33, 34, and it's 35. Okay, now gallium atomic weight is 69, and here 72, 74, and it's 78, and it's in the 79. Okay, students. So this is the first half of that these elements. So this is the one trick, students. And here I will give the one question. Now all of you write down answers for this one. Find the number of neutrons in that okay, now these each and every element. Okay, students. First question. Find the number of neutrons in that each and every element. How should you find out the number of neutrons here? Number of neutrons is equal mass number minus atomic number. Okay. Now you have to find out the number of neutrons. Number of neutrons is equal to mass number minus atomic number. Then you should get that atomic number of neutrons. For example, now if you take the gallium, a mass number means 69 minus 31. So you are getting the final answer. Okay, students. So all of you do these problems and each and every one up to 35. Okay, gallium, germanium, arsenic, selenium, next one the bromine. Okay, students. Now these are the first trick of that one. Okay, gallium, germanium, arsenic, selenium, bromine. So for these elements you should add that 7, 8, 8, 10 and 9 or 788 and 109. Okay, students, but don't confuse this 10 number. Okay, 7, 8, 109 or 7, 8, 8, 10 and 9. But here in the from 36 element to 40 elements. Okay, don't forget here, don't get confused here. So actually you should add the all 11 numbers except okay, now that means last to second one, that is the 10. Okay, so now I will write that those numbers and also. So first of all you should write the elements names, and the next one is the give the serial number that indicates that atomic number, and multiply with 2 and addition those numbers. Okay, students. So first of all you should write the elements name in the sequence order or in the regular order. Then you have to separate the two sets. First set is the first set of 5 elements, and second set also 5 elements. Okay, students. Now here gallium, germanium, arsenic, selenium, bromine. 1 second. Krypton, rubidium, strontium, yttrium, zirconium. Okay, friends. Now I will take that second set. So this one is the krypton element. Okay, friends. And krypton is not krypton. Next one is the rubidium element. And next one is the strontium element. And the next one is yttrium, and next one is the zirconium. Okay. If you get any confused, but you should remember the first letter of each and every one. R is the first letter, then S. Okay, S is the first letter, then that Y. Y is the first letter, then that of zirconium. Z. Okay, students. Now these are the letters: krypton, rubidium, strontium, yttrium, zirconium. Krypton, rubidium, strontium, yttrium, zirconium. Okay. Now you should write 36, 37, 38, 39, and 40. Okay, students. Now atomic number 36 and atomic number 37, 38, and next 39, and next one is that 40 elements. Okay, students. Now simple thing. Now first of all you have to write the, that means multiply with each and every atomic number. So that means 2 into atomic number 36 now gives rise to what about this one student here? 72. Am I right now? 72 now. So 12 plus 6, okay, 72. Now then you should add number 11. What about this one here? Now this one is the 83. Okay students, I hope this is the 83. Okay now 12 to 1, okay now 6, 7, 72 plus 11, 83. Clear students? And that means now you should write the krypton element, krypton atomic number 36 and atomic weight is 83. Okay students? And next one is you should take that next element is now this one is that 2 into 37 is equal to 74. 74, then add that 11. Okay students? Now this one is that of 85. Okay, 85. Now that means you should take that rubidium element, atomic number 37 and atomic weight 85. Okay students? 2 into, now this one is 38 here. Okay, 2 into 38. Okay students? So that means 16 and next one is 76. Okay students? That means here this one is 76 and plus which number student here? Now this is also same this one. Okay, now that means now 7 and here this one is 87. Clear students? 7 plus 87. Clear. And that means you should take that krypton, rubidium, and next one is the krypton, rubidium, strontium. So here strontium atomic number, now that is the 38 and atomic weight is 87. Okay students? And we will go further to the next element. So 2 into 39. Okay students? Means 78. So 18 na 78 plus what about this one here? You should add that 10. So that means 88 only. Okay students? 88. So you should write that that one is the yttrium. Okay, now atomic number 39 and atomic weight is 88. Okay students? And the next one is the zirconium. Now here zirconium atomic number 40. So that means 2 into 14, so that is equal to 8 plus you should add that number. Now that is 11. Now which is equal to the top 91. Okay friends? 91. So here now that is the zirconium atomic number 14 and atomic weight should be 91. Okay, so these are the atomic numbers and next is the atomic weights of that particular elements. Now once again students, now this is the second part of that now in this group. So actually gallium, germanium, arsenic, selenium, bromine, krypton, rubidium, strontium, yttrium, zirconium. Okay, now here I have completed this one, first one. So for the first one you should add that this trick. Okay students? For first 5 elements you should add that these numbers for the first 5 elements. So you should take the atomic number, serial numbers, multiply with 2 and addition by that 7, 8, 8, 10 and 9. Okay, and for the second part of this one, in this one you should write the second half of these elements: krypton, rubidium, strontium, yttrium, zirconium. Okay, krypton, rubidium, strontium, yttrium, zirconium. Krypton atomic number 36, 37, 38, 39 and 40. Simple thing, you should multiply with 2, okay, even numbers. So 2 into 36, 2 into 37, 2 into 38, 2 into 39, 2 into 40. Then for first one you should add the 11. Okay, 11 and 11 and here only 10 and next is the 11. Okay students? So you are getting that krypton atomic weight 83, rubidium atomic weight 85, strontium atomic weight 87, yttrium atomic weight, okay now, yttrium atomic weight 88 and zirconium atomic weight 91. Okay students? So these are the atomic weights of that for that particular from germanium to zirconium. Okay students? Sorry, not germanium, gallium to zirconium. Okay, Now here 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Okay students, over. So now in this one from 40 up to 14. Okay, up to 14. Now here once again, now for these 40 elements you should add and you should remember. So you separate the two sets. For first 5 elements one set and second 5 elements another set. Okay, so for first 5 elements you should add that 7, 8, 10 and next the 9, or 788 and 109. And the second part, now you should add that all 11 numbers from 36, 37, 38 and 39, 40, except 39 element you should add that not instead of 11 you should add the 10. Okay students, now the 11, 11, 11 and 10 is in the 11. So by using these numbers you have to find out the atomic weights of that okay elements from the 31 atomic number to and is the 40 atomic number. Okay, and here also same thing, you should find out that number of neutrons in each and every element. Okay students, number of you should find that number of neutrons in each and every element from that krypton to zirconium. Now how should you find out the number of neutrons here? Number of neutrons is equal to okay. Now that means that is the mass number minus atomic number. A indicates the mass number, Z indicates the atomic number. Okay, A for the mass number, Z for the atomic number. Now here number of neutrons is equal to okay mass number minus atomic number. You should take the mass number for the krypton is that 83 and 36 is the atomic number. So you substitute these values and you can find out the number of neutrons. In case of this one rubidium, 85 minus 37, okay, number of neutrons is equal to 85 minus 37. Now here also same, in case of strontium, number of neutrons equal to 87 minus 38, number of neutrons in case of this one 88 minus 39, number of neutrons in the zirconium 91 minus 40. Okay, so this is the okay students, now these are the questions you should do or you should complete these questions for that solving that number of neutrons. Okay, I hope it will be clear. Okay, now it is clear about that how to find the atomic weights from gallium element to zirconium element. Okay students, so it is very trick, it is very useful trick okay now to find that atomic weights convenient method for you. I hope it is you have to understood about this one. Okay students, and clear. And next one we will go to the top next part of that trick. Okay now, next part of that trick. Okay, next part of that trick.